Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to display two different time zones in the Windows system tray. This is very useful if you work with another country time, like India, USA, UK, or Dubai. Let's begin. First, click on the search icon. Type Control Panel and open it. In Control Panel, click on Clock and Region. Now click on Date and Time. A new window will open. Next, click on Additional Clocks. Here you'll see two options, Clock 1 and Clock 2. Check the box, Show this clock. Now click on Change Time Zone. Select the country or city you want. For example, USA, UK, Dubai, or Hong Kong. In the display name box, type the country name. This helps you identify the time easily. Then click OK. Now move your mouse over the time in the system tray. You will see your local time, plus the second country time zone. That's it. You have successfully added two time zones in the Windows tray clock. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.